Hi, Lee Phillips. I want to talk to you about the overlooked tax credits and stuff in this legislation that they've passed to get us through the coronavirus world. The Family First Act, which was the second act that was passed on March 16th, or 18th, excuse me, provides a bunch of tax credits for small businesses. Everybody's drooling over the PPP, the Paycheck Protection Program, and the EIDL loan, the economic injury disaster loan that the Small Business Administration has. But there's a bunch of good stuff in the Family First Act. It gives a small business tax credits, which allows the small business to pay for 2 weeks of the employee's sick leave. It allows them to pay for the employee who has to go home and take care of a spouse that's sick, or the employee that has to go home and take care of the kids because the kids aren't in school anymore. So these tax credits are available to small businesses, and they're going to add up if you qualify for them and if you do it right. In fact, not only are they going to add up, not only is this a tax benefit, this is a legal benefit. Because if you are an employer and you don't supply these benefits to your employees, now the government's going to give you the tax credits for supplying the benefits. But if you don't give these to the employees can come after you. And the Department of Labor has been charged with overseeing this. And I've seen people, little companies, I've seen people sit in jail because of what the Department of Labor has done to them. I had a friend who spent 6 months in jail because the Department of Labor came after him. So don't discount the Department of Labor. They have been charged with overseeing that your employees get these benefits. There are a lot of rules and regulations you've got to go through. For example, you have to notify your employees that these benefits are available to them. If you don't do that, you are in violation of the law. We go through this on one of the YouTubes in the CERT program. The CERT program is our tutorial, which allows you to comply with all the government regulations in the PPP program, the EIDL program, these tax credits and everything else. And we keep them updated. We have to keep them updated. We get new information every day. This is kind of like the Wild Wild West. We're playing the game as we go along, but it's kind of fun, actually, if you get into it. And that's what we do. We read the laws, we get into it, and then pass it along to you as a small business person so that you can actually comply. You can get the forgiveness of the PPP. You can qualify for these tax credits and make it so that you're not in trouble with the Department of Labor. This is Lee Phillips, and now don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I've posted hundreds of videos on this YouTube channel about small business stuff, legal stuff, the aspects of running a small business and personal planning and everything else. So don't forget to subscribe, and we'll pick you up on the next update as we go through this for coronavirus stuff.